Hello everyone, welcome to our quick guide on using Polymarket, the world's largest prediction market. In just a few minutes, we'll show you how to get started and make your first trade. First, go to Polymarket's website. You don't need to sign up with personal info. Just connect a crypto wallet like MetaMask, click connect and choose your wallet, and follow the steps to link it. Make sure your wallet has USDC, the stablecoin used on Polymarket. Once connected, browse the markets. You'll see categories like politics, sports, and crypto. Each market shows events which you can bet on, like election outcomes or game results. Click on a market to see the odds and details. To make a trade, pick an outcome you believe in. For example, will Team A win? Click buy, choose how much USDC to spend, and confirm. Your shares show the chance of the outcome happening if you're right. You'll earn a profit when the event ends. Check your trades in the portfolio section. You can sell your shares anytime or wait for the event to resolve. Once the outcome is confirmed, winnings are sent to your wallet automatically. That's it, guys. You're ready to use Polymarket. Start small, explore markets, and have fun predicting real-world events. Thanks for watching, guys, and happy trading.